dated 5th February 2016. It is incumbent upon the candidate to file an affidavit in the prescribed form 26 along with the nominations. The manner of voting will be by ballot. The ward-wise voters as follows. Altogether, there are 32,496 voters, out of which 15,225 are male voters and 17,271 are female voters. Now we'll announce the election schedule. In pursuance of Rule 2 of the Corporation of City of Panaji Election Rules 2004, the State Election Commission hereby declares the election schedule for the general elections to 30 wards of the Corporation of City of Panaji as follows. The receipt of nomination will be from 17th February 2026 Tuesday to 24th February 2026 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Only one day is a Sunday, so 22nd February is a Sunday, so that date won't be there. The scrutiny of nomination will be on 25th February 2026. 10 a.m. onwards till scrutiny is completed. Withdrawal of candidature will be on 26th February 2076, Thursday, 10 a.m. 5 p.m. The list of contesting candidates will be published on 26th February 2026 after 3 p.m. Date of poll is 11th March 2026, Wednesday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And date of counting is 13th March 2025, Friday, 8 a.m. till counting is over. Poll timing, as already said, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Place of accepting nomination is the office of the Deputy Collector Kiswati, who is also the returning officer. Place of counting will be at Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. The model code of conduct comes into force immediately from today and will be applicable in all areas under the jurisdiction of Corporation of City of Panaji. Besides this, we are also holding elections to 14 vacant wards. By-elections will be held. So the by-elections of the following 14 wards of village panchayats will be held on 9th March 2026. So, we'll tell you which village panchayats are going to go. In Pena Taluka, village panchayat Chandil Asapur, ward number 1. Village panchayat Mondre, ward number 4. Then Vicholi Taluka, village panchayat Pilgaon, ward number 7. Village panchayat Latam Varse, ward number 2. Then in Bardes Taluka, village panchayat Piland Manna, ward number 1. Village panchayat Sirsai, ward number 6. Village panchayat Salvador Dumundu, ward number 2. And village panchayat Kandoli, ward number 1. In Salsat Taluka, village panchayat Ake Baish, ward number 6. Then in Ponda Taluka, village panchayat Bori, ward number 1. Village panchayat Welling Priol Gupuli, ward number 3. Village panchayat Boma Arpano, ward number 2. In Kepe Taluka, village panchayat Bali Adne, ward number 8. And finally in Kankana, village panchayat Roli Pole, ward number 7. The timing of the poll will be 8 to 5 p.m. as well. The Mamladar of the concerned Taluka is appointed as the returning officer, and the AK of the officer of the Mamladar will be the assistant returning officer. This will give them the service. Okay, the schedule for the by-elections will announce. Okay. The receipt of nominations 7 days except 22nd February is from 25th, actually is from 18th February to 25th February. Then scrutiny of nomination will be on 26th February, Thursday, 10 a.m. onwards till scrutiny is completed. Withdrawal of candidature will be 27th February, Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. List of contesting candidates will be published on 27th February after 2 p.m. Date of poll is 8th March 2026, Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the date of counting is 9th March, Monday, till counting is over. From 8 a.m. till counting is over. case of accepted nomination will be observed the Mamladar, that is the returning officer. The model code of conduct also will be very for all these pointers, or within that word area. So all preparations have been made for smooth conduct of the elections. If any questions are there, now,
voting is switching at the SI Kelate or old. We have the new Kelate.
no, because new rules, once you get them, you require time to prepare, then you require time to make delineation also. We can't go by that.
So SI won't be here.
SI is not completed.
That is not yet, no? 21st.
21st.
Okay.
I thought it's there. I don't know.
So, at the same time, there would be assembly session going on. So what happens to them there? Any restriction to the government? Any restrictions to the government?
No. In fact, this is only an area within the municipal.
The government will be able to.
Okay, they suffer now.
Nomination same place.
Bypoll code is only in that particular panchayat.
That's village panchayat. That particular ward which is there in that village panchayat.
Can you give me details why this wards child welfare? Do you have details?
Yeah, now some of them I think they had got into ZP. Some of them have become ZP members.
How many?
Yeah, we'll give that. We'll give that details. Mostly by resignation, because of resignation. No.
Nominations next okay. Nomination same place. Place.
Which now?
Nomination.
By elections.
CCB.
CCB is a nomination.
Office of Representatives.
Same. Counting will be at Tamam Prasad.
Why counting not on this next? Why one
This is by ballot. Stuff. 400, not 400.
CCB.